Ice Bucket Challenge, and my mom already donated $100 for the ALS fund. There's no point in doing the challenge without knowing about ALS and why the fund is there. So I'm going to talk a little about it. ALS is a neurological disorder where there's no cure for it. Many people need funding for this. It affected millions of people. And the ALS fund is basically to fund for research to create a treatment. And the Ice Bucket Challenge is like either pay $10 to the fund and dump a bucket of ice on your head, or you can pay $100 to the fund. Yeah, so I'll do it now.